We're going to be talking about inverse linear functions. And for the warm-up, I want you to think about the inverse of something. And if you think about like an inverted roller coaster, on an inverted roller coaster, instead of being facing up, instead you're facing down. So if you think about when you flip upside down, what was originally up is now down, and what was down is now up. So if you think about it, your car would look something like this. The wheels would be on top, and the car would be below the wheels. So basically, we flip-flopped around from what was normal. And that's basically what we're going to be doing today for inverse relations, okay, and inverse functions. So for an inverse relation, we're going to exchange the x and the y coordinates for every single ordered pair. So for example, if I started out with x comma y, I'm going to transform, get the inverse. I'm just going to flip it around. It's going to turn into y comma x. Now, we still read the point. This is still my new x value, and x is my new y value. And this is to say that it's not that we read the point any differently, but we're just switching around the values. So like if we have 5, 3, that turns into 3, 5. If I had negative 1, 4, that turns into 4, negative 1. To get an inverse function, you just flip around all the x values with all the y values. So here in example 1, if I want to find the inverse of this relation, what I do is I take 4, negative 10, I rewrite it as negative 10 comma 4. I rewrite 7, negative 19 as negative 19, 7. Negative 5, 17, 17, negative 5. Negative 3, 11, 11, negative 3. I just rewrite it, flipping all the x values with all the y values. Let's say we have a table. It's going to be the exact same thing. And this is almost even a little easier, because I'm going to take my x values. So like I had negative 4, negative 13. That turns into negative 13, negative 4. Negative 1, negative 8.5. Turns into negative 8.5, negative 1. 5.5, 0.55. 9, 6.5, 6.5, 9. So it's the same pattern over and over again. To get the inverse of a function, you just switch the x values with the y values.